And I always challenge people to add one thing into that equation. Instead of making money and then just spending it, make money, invest it, and then start to spend when that investment starts to become fruitful. So now you're spending off of passive income, off of the growth of your net worth, and not off of your earned income. So when you can do some of the leisure things you want in your life based off of passive income and based off of your investments growing, that's a real flex, not just, oh, I made $50,000, I'm gonna spend it on this vacation. Invest that first, and then as it becomes fruitful, then start to spend on those things. And I think that's a more realistic way of looking at it than the messaging to where it's like live frugal forever, or you don't have to do that, or and like some people might be okay with that, but I come across a lot of people who's like, so you're telling me I can never buy the car that I like or take the kind of vacation that I want to take. I don't want to make people live in a limited mindset, but I do think delayed gratification is important.
I love that. Completely agree. And when your money can work for you that you've invested to be able to obtain those things, it's even more satisfying. So, Devon, we've been able to get so much information and wise knowledge from you, but I bet there's even more in the book that you have coming out.